7 signs of cervical cancer that women need to observe. One of the most deadliest types of gynecological cancer is the cervical cancer. But the good thing about cervical cancer is that it can be successfully treated if it is being diagnosed in an early stage. Usually caused by human papillomavirus HPV, this cancer can be diagnosed early by not ignoring these symptoms. Number 1. Warts. According to Rosa Maria, gynecologist, what can increase the risk of developing cervical cancer in women is the appearance of small warts, no matter if they are internal or external, and this can be a sign for other health issues, not only cancer. Number 2. Anemia. Excessive bleeding can be indicator as well. We are going to explain that below and because if that anemia is linked with cervical cancer, you should visit a doctor and to check if you are dealing with anemia, and if you do, to discover the reason for anemia. If you are feeling constantly tired or your heartbeat increases even a little bit and your eating habits are still the same. Number 3. Having non-stop pain in the back, legs or hips. Your internal organs are as well affected by a swollen cervix, which means that not only the bladder and kidneys can be affected. This can increase the blood pressure and to inhibit blood flow to the pelvis, which can be the cause for the pain. Number 4. Unusual discharge. This type of cancer in most of the cases causes unusual discharge, and it can appear when the cancer starts developing in the cervix. Number 5. Bleeding and pain. These two are common symptoms of this type of cancer due to the fact that the walls of the cervix dry out and in some cases even crack because of the abnormal cell growth. If the cancer reaches more advanced stages, it can cause rectal or bladder bleeding. You should visit a doctor if you experience bleeding outside of your menstrual period. Number 6. Weight loss without proper explanation. Many types of cancer can be noticed by losing appetite and weight by unknown reasons. But what leads to the appetite and weight loss when it comes to cervical cancer is the fact that the swollen cervix puts pressure on the stomach. Number 7. Urinary problems. Due to the swelling of the cervix, you might experience difficulty urinating because the swollen cervix will put pressure on the kidneys and bladder, and that can trouble the process of urinating. This can lead to having pain during urinating, urinary tract infections, or inability to empty the bladder completely. The factors that are mostly increasing the risk of cervical cancer are low immunity, smoking or inhaling secondhand smoking, having unprotected sex, having many sexual partners. That is why you should regularly visit your gynecologist, and you should have pap smear tests twice in a year. Stay healthy. Stay happy. Thanks for watching. 4 humble requests to you: 1. Subscribe my channel, 2. Like, 3. Share with your friends and family, 4. Comment on video.